Since I became an amputee, a lot of the control had been taken away from me. I just felt like I lost a lot of the control that was going on. Getting into the Quatro has given me that control back. This socket gives me so much confidence that, I mean, honestly, I've done more on one leg than I ever would have thought about doing with two legs. This connection that I feel that gives me the confidence to just try to do new things. And then having that, like, understanding where my foot is, because I've had it the other way where the foot wasn't where it was supposed to be, and you fall, or and now I mean, I know that that foot is right where it needs to be every time. I mean, it's allowed me just to continue on doing all the things that I've ever wanted to do in my life, and even probably more so.